Hello everyone, this is my video blog, January 22nd, day 2 of my walk across Canada. So, today it's raining, I'm wet, I have my poncho, I have my Gore-Tex, so I'm trying to stay dry here. But you know, it's really cold. When my clothes are kind of wet because I'm sweating, I feel colder, but it's not a big deal because it's above 0 degrees. So now I'm having a break after walking something like 10 kilometers. It's like almost 12 o'clock. So I'm having a snack. And you know, it's a very nice area here, like I don't know, a camping site that you can rest. There is a stream, so I can take water if I need. And so I'm walking on Trans-Canada Highway right now, but there is a trail just 2 meters, so it's really safe because I don't walk at the street but on a trail. And maybe you can see the highway is right here. Oh, just here. Okay, can you see the car? It's pretty much somewhere there. So I'm walking, it's very slow. Since yesterday I have troubles with my heel, and you know, I feel it's really painful on my left leg. I have no idea why, because my right leg is completely fine, but the left one, there is some kind of problem with the heel, so every step I feel some pain. And you know, I have 9 kilometers to Malahide. It's a small community. Then there is a gas station, some, I don't know, restaurant, camping site, so maybe in about 2 hours I'll be there having a dinner, and then I will have another like 10 kilometers to the city, and I think I'm gonna stay in the city. So see you. I'll eat something, rest, and I'm walking. So I'm walking on Trans-Canada Highway. I'm really wet. Just take a look. Fog. It's really difficult. I don't know what to say. I just want to have dinner or something. Okay. Wow. Fog everywhere. Okay, I have to go. See ya. Hi guys. January 22nd, my second day of walk across Canada. Today I was walking along the highway, the Trans-Canada Highway. It was like windy, it was raining, there were a fog, like the worst fog ever. The visibility up to 50 meters. Oh my god. I did like 16 kilometers. I was in the mountains, and the weather was changing extremely quickly. And you know, I found a gas station, there were a place to stay. I decided there is no reason to take risk. I decided not to walk at night on the highway for the safety reasons. You know, because when you walk basically 1 meter from the cars. So even with my lights, when there is a fog, like the, you know, you can see up to 50 meters. It's not the best. It's not the best idea. So it was a scary moment today. Really, I was like, you know, the cars like 100 kilometers an hour were passing by just next to me. All the bigger trucks. I don't know. Today my feet hurts. I have a problem with my left heel. Since now I didn't know basically what happened, but I realized that it was a problem with my backpack. The main idea that the balance I should have like in the center, but it was to the left side, so my left leg had too much weight, and that was the problem. That was the problem, and my heel basically hurts. You know, it's really bad, but I hope tomorrow it will be better. And you know, see you guys. That was the second day of my walk across Canada, and I hope tomorrow I will have a better day. You know, it may rain, whatever, I don't know. I'm really tired, exhausted. See you.